Growing a YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 7 days may sound impossible, but with the right strategy, it's achievable. The key is to use high-demand content, smart promotion, and audience engagement to maximize growth. Let's break down the exact steps you need to follow. First, choose a viral topic in your niche. If your niche is online, earning, AI, or finance, look for trending keywords using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. For example, if AI automation is trending, create content like Top 5 AI Tools to Make Money or How to Earn $500 Daily Using AI. Viral topics have a higher chance of getting picked up by YouTube's algorithm. Next, focus on high retention videos. Your content should be engaging from the first second. Start with a strong hook, use fast cuts, and eliminate unnecessary pauses. The longer viewers watch, the more YouTube pushes your content. Aim for videos between 8 to 12 minutes to increase watch time. Now, the upload strategy. Instead of 1 or 2 videos, upload 7 to 10 high-quality videos in 7 days. More content means more opportunities for YouTube to recommend your channel. Use SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. Write engaging descriptions with relevant keywords, and use compelling thumbnails to increase CTR. For instant traffic, share your videos everywhere. Post in Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and Twitter. Engage in YouTube comment sections of bigger channels in your niche. This brings their audience to your channel. Finally, engage with your viewers. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. The more engagement your videos get, the faster your channel will grow. By following these steps, reaching 1K subs and 4K watch hours in 7 days is possible. Stay consistent, experiment, and keep improving your content.